Good morning vlog. So today we have a long day of getting things done. One of the things we have to get done today is taking Greg to the vet, which is going to be an adventure. I'm going to bring you guys along for it. If you guys don't know, Greg is my humongous cat. Last time he got weighed, he weighed like 22 pounds. He's a big guy and he absolutely hates going to the vet. So it's a full family function. I have to have Jacob help me. So Jacob's gonna go with me to the vet today. He's also running an errand to AT&T right now. He had to go do something for our phone bill. We've made some important phone calls today, which are really exciting, and just everything's working good so well. Gideon's down for a nap, which is really nice because I'm pretty sure he's teething. He's almost 2 months, and Jacob's mom told me that Jacob started teething at 2 months, and apparently my niece started teething at 2 months. And Gideon's been showing the signs of teething. He's like chewing on his passy, he's super fussy, and he drools all the time. So very nervous about that, but he's down for a nap right now, which is good. So I'm gonna get some cleaning done per usual. My house is always need to be clean. If you guys can see back there, it's a disaster. But that's just the life of being a mom, I guess. I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy. So I'm going to put some dry shampoo in my hair real quick, get some deodorant on, put some perfume on so that I don't smell stinky, and then I'm gonna start cleaning my house. I also forgot Jacob had to go pick up grocery pickup. We actually scheduled it for later in the day, but they called me and said that their freezer wasn't working or something, and so they needed us to come get it earlier. I think that's what she was saying. She was very confusing on the phone, so I don't know. I sent him to go do that and go to AT&T to run an errand for our phone bill. So I'll do a grocery haul whenever he gets back. We didn't get a lot of stuff. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I've been having trouble with my pump supply, and I got new little pump shields. These are the 19mm ones, and somebody recommended getting these because they thought that my previous flange was too big, and based on what I read online, it actually is. So I'm starting with the smallest one, and then I will go up to see if I like it. But this is a 19mm. I don't know if I said that. I gotta wash it, and then I will report back later today when I pump. I actually have to pump now. So once I wash it and sanitize it, I will let you guys know what I think. Off to the vet we go, Greg. Are you sad? It's okay, we gotta get checkups and shots and stuff. Running late per usual. Greg's pissed off, but we're going to the vet now.
Hi, we're here for you guys.
We're here with Gregory.
Okay, and what's been going on with him?
Well, when I made the appointment, he was sneezing a lot and his nose was really warm. He's not doing that anymore, but if you could check over him, that would be great.
Yeah.
And then he needs to get up to date on his vaccinations and stuff like that.
Okay. All right.
All right.
He's a heavy guy.
I say he's a big boy.
Okay, we'll bring him up when we're all done.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. We got home from the vet. Everything was good with Greg, which was really nice. I ended up taking him to the vet because I thought that he had like some sinus stuff and he had to get up to date on his shots. So we did that, which obviously he hated. And then I came home and I put away some groceries that needed to be put away. I was gonna do a grocery haul, but we ended up having to pick up our groceries earlier before we went and got Greg, and it kind of threw off our schedule a little bit. So I didn't get to do a grocery haul, but we didn't get anything exciting anyway. And then I decided to make some of these cookies that I've been craving. So what I do is I get just peanut butter cookies and Reese cups. I cook the cookies as I normally would, and then I put the Reese cups in them, and they are so good, so tasty. So I'm really excited about eating those. And I'm actually really hungry. We had Taco Bell again for lunch. I didn't eat very much, so I think I'm gonna get me a little snack again so that I have something to eat, because now that I'm breastfeeding I cannot stop eating. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna get me a snack because we eat dinner late. So I didn't finish this vlog because I ended up falling asleep on the couch for several hours. I for some reason got really tired and just fell asleep, and Jacob, being the same that he is, got a lot of the housework done that I needed to get done. So that's all done. And now all I have to do is edit where I'm at on this vlog and work on packing my Etsy orders, which I have one I need to pack up tonight. I'm really excited about that. I told you early in the vlog that I would let you know about those flanges that I got the new pumps supply, and I actually really liked them. I pumped more than I have in a long time, and I actually already fed him, and so I got a lot out. I'm pretty surprised with how much I got out because I've not been getting that much out. So I'm really happy with that. I did order some like supplement stuff from Milky Mama that I'm gonna try to review for you guys. And like I said, I think I'm gonna end up filming that breastfeeding video that I talked about in my last vlog. I think that would be really interesting to, and I've been documenting what I've been doing. So hopefully you guys like that. Do you hear a little Artie right over here? So I think I'm gonna continue this vlog into tomorrow. Tomorrow is just another day at home still. I do have a therapy appointment and we have to get my car detailed, which I won't be doing that. Jacob will be doing. So hopefully that will be interesting. Being a stay-at-home mom is just really repeating the same day over and over again. So it's been several days since I finished up the last part of this vlog. I did film some clips of me doing mental therapy. I've been going to a therapist that I really bonded with, and I've been seeing her via Skype because she doesn't live in the area anymore. She's about an hour away, so I am thinking about doing an in-person visit shortly, so that I can kind of get out of the house, and I think that it would be good for me to see her in person. So I'm going to try to schedule that eventually whenever things become a little bit more evened out with our schedules. So that was really nice. I've been really liking going to therapy, and I've been asked to talk about my like postpartum journey with my mental health, and I would love to do that. So I will be talking more about that in that video when I decide to do it. And now it's time for me to get a massage again. Like I said in my last vlog, I try to go like once a week, and it's that time again, and I am in a lot of pain. My back is hurting really bad, and I've been out for the last 2 days, which is why I haven't vlogged, with headaches, because my headaches are getting bad again. I know that I said that in the last video, but I really think that I need to go to a chiropractor to get aligned on top of getting a massage, because that's the cocktail that worked for me last time when I was headache free, and I haven't been adjusted in 2+ years, and so I think that it's just time for me to go get my neck popped real well. Which, going to the chiropractor really scares me, but it gave me a lot of relief. So I think I'm gonna have to be on the search for a new chiropractor here, because I've moved since I went last time. So I'm probably gonna end up ending the vlog today, which I feel like I just live the same day on repeat over and over again, where I just wake up, take care of the baby, clean the house. So I feel like sometimes it can be really boring. So I try to only vlog whenever I have stuff going on, but a lot of the stuff I have going on are like doctor's appointments or, you know, like massages and stuff like that. So I'm worried things will get repetitive, but I hope that you guys still enjoy this stuff. Hopefully my life will get a little bit more interesting as things start to open up and the panorama starts to hopefully get back to normal, people getting vaccinated and stuff like that. So hopefully, but I'm gonna go get massaged right now. I'm running very late per usual, so I'm going to turn on some music as I always do and try to get there as soon as I can. And we're done. My glasses are fogging up and it is raining crazily outside, which gave me anxiety because I was nervous about the transfer again, but thankfully, by the blessings above, it was an easy transfer and I got in okay. So next, what we're gonna do is I have to go drop off some things at Goodwill. I'm trying to spring clean and get rid of stuff. So I've been dropping things off at donation sites. Goodwill, my sister has a blessing box. I've been giving a lot of stuff to that. I'm actually gonna meet her tomorrow, so I should probably take that stuff from the blessing box. And I'm in my car for the first time since it got detailed, and it looks really nice. I'm really happy with how nice it looks. I did a really good job. So that makes me really happy. And then my stomach is growling, so I'm going to go get some food. Probably McAllister's again. I live the same day on repeat, but I will take you guys with me. So let's go drop off those donations at Goodwill real quick.
Hi, there's one bag back there and then a little purse. A little black purse. The black purse is on. Yes, sir.
It's right there?
Yes, and then the black purse.
Alrighty,
Oh, no, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
I usually get the same thing everywhere I go. I don't know if you guys are the same, but I decided that I wanted to switch it up today, kind of. And so I've just spent like the time that I've been sitting in the drive-thru going over, rehearsing my order so that I know what I'm getting.
Thank you for choosing McAllister Deli. My name is Liz. How may I serve you today?
Hi, can I please do the half orange cranberry club, the choose two, sorry, with the half cranberry club, and then the potato soup.
Would you like a pickle with that sandwich?
No, thank you.
Okay.
You try ordering, like rehearsing your order, and it still somehow gets messed up. I don't know how that's possible.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. You're welcome.
Got some packages while I was gone. They're just breastfeeding supplies because that's what my packages are lately. Oh, so this one I ordered from the Medela, which is the pump that I use. I got this cool little cooler thing for my breast milk, and so it comes with these like little cup things. Cups. It comes with these storage things. These are 5 ounces, which these will be handy just to have because this is what I pump into. So I got 4 of those, and then it has this little ice pack. So definitely gonna have that whenever we travel or whenever Gideon goes to his grandparents' house so that he can have cold breast milk. And then the next thing that I got was another pump set. These are the 19 millimeters. I had a really good response with the last one. I don't remember if I talked about it in my last vlog, but I have been noticing that I've been pumping a lot better with those. So I decided to get another one so that I could have 2 different pumps so that I'm not having to wash it all the time. So this I got from Amazon. It was not very expensive, and it's not like a name brand. It's just some cheap brand. So gonna wash and sanitize these, and then I'll be able to use those so that I only don't have just 1 pump now. And with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.